What's up guys, PC here, and today we're talking Fold. Not the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold, but the Google Pixel Fold, and reasons why you shouldn't get it. It's 2023 and we've seen a plethora of folding options over the years, like the ones that fold, the ones that flip, the ones that roll, and the ones that stretch. And some of the more practical options are the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold, the Z Flip, Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold 3, Oppo Find N2, Motorola Razr, etc. So this is officially Google's version of showcasing their version of this form factor. Speaking of form factors, I think among all these options, the Google Pixel Fold resembles more with the Oppo Find N2 than any other phones on the list. Anyway, in this video, I'll walk you through the list of reasons why you should not get the Pixel Fold. First of all, you all know the specs, right? But the one thing that concerns me is the 4821 mAh battery. Don't get me wrong, it is still the largest battery ever seen in foldable so far, but if you draw the line between the Pixel Fold and the Pixel 7 Pro, which embodies the same Tensor G2 chip with a 5000 mAh battery, it kinda is an average battery experience. So I don't really know how to force myself to be optimistic about the battery optimization of the Tensor G2 chip, and it's yet to figure out how the Pixel Fold performs in real life. Now, the second reason is the charging speed. It is an $1,800 phone, and the last thing that you want is the inconvenience of a slow wire charging of maximum of 30 watts. It has wireless charging, heads up for that, but 30 watts of wire charging is just not enough. Alright, now let's talk software. For any computer device, one of the major buying points is obviously the software experience. And the software in the Google Pixel Fold is not as mature as Samsung's One UI, which has had 5 generations worth of building blocks to work with. I mean, the Pixel does have all the Pixel stuff, which inherently makes the phone super smart. It also has all the Material U, the all customizable Android luxury, and this might also sound a little bit controversial, but most of the multitasking gestures are, I don't want to say copied, but they for sure are inspired by iPad multitasking. I mean, just look at the deck. I don't know, guys. You guys be the judge. But hey, Google says that they have worked on at least 50 apps to work to make it more tablet friendly, which makes me want to raise an eyebrow about the future of Pixel tablets. Okay, so finally, the price. It is an $1,800 phone, which is literally on par with the best folding phone out there, which is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. Unless you are a real geek about the Pixel software experience, I'd say there is no reason why you should pick the Pixel Fold over the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. In my opinion, the Oppo Find N2 is a brilliant option for $1,200, and if you're someone who's just trying to explore the folding phone experience and you have a lot of money to spare, just get the Oppo Find N2. It will give you the good software experience and everybody stays happy.